Hi there, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are going to discuss about how to add Wi-Fi control center on iPhone iOS 18.1. So for this purpose, first you need to open control center at your mobile phone. Then at the top left corner, you have this plus icon, click on it. Then you can see this minus icon on the left side of all applications. Just click on this minus icon on the top of Wi-Fi. Then at the bottom you have the option of add a control, click on it and then tap on this search bar. And in the search bar just search for Wi-Fi and then this Wi-Fi will pop up on your screen, just tap on it. Now you can see Wi-Fi is added to control center. Now you can replace it anywhere where you want. On any application at the bottom right you have this option. Once you click on it you can stretch that application down or right. By stretching it you can make it longer or you can make it more visible. So this is the way you can add Wi-Fi control center on iPhone iOS 18.1. So that's all for today's video. Thank you so much for watching.